everyone. How are we all doing today? To all the fathers out there, of course, happy Father's Day. This is this is one of those mornings. It's super early. It's 7:30 in the morning. And I decided for some weird reason that I'm going to shoot my video right away. But I'm shooting something at least appropriate, and that's Dalgona Coffee that everyone on the web seems to be doing videos of these days. So I thought I would do my test, my take on it, see what I could do. And by the same token, I wanted to see how well it would work with an immersion blender, with one of these things, over a standard hand mixer, which everyone seems to use. So I thought I would give it a go and see if this will become my new morning summer coffee, because God knows I need it right now. The recipe's really easy. It's hot water, instant coffee, and sugar, and it's equal parts. So if you're using tablespoons, it's 1 tablespoon coffee, 1 tablespoon water, 1 tablespoon sugar, and or 222, 333, whatever. If you want it a bit sweeter, add some more sugar. And if you don't take sugar in your coffee, you can leave it out. It's just the foam won't be as thick from everything I've seen. So, like I said, I have my instant coffee, bowl of sugar, some water, and we're just gonna start. I've got my little thing here so we can all see. I've got my cup here. I'll start off. I'm gonna make a bigger batch. I'm gonna go for a triple because this is my morning coffee. Yeah, I did just put in 2 things of the coffee because it's instant coffee. I'm a brewed coffee guy. So then I just have my kettle with some boiling water, and I'm just pouring it into a measuring cup because it'll be easier to put into the mixing. So I've got my immersion blender here. I am going to mute the sound because I don't want this to deafen everyone first thing in the morning. So let's see how this works out. Okay. Well, that seems to have come out pretty nice and thick. It's definitely like quadrupled in size. And everyone says you pour it over milk with ice. Well, I don't have any ice first thing in the morning. So I'm just going to pour a little glass of milk. Whoops. Of course I spill it all over the place. And then we need you've got to get the coffee into there. Whoa. Well, it looks pretty. It looks nice. How well it tastes, who knows? But that's what we do taste testings for. So as I said, it looks really nice. You can see the layers. Now, a lot of people say to mix this up. I don't know. We'll give it a little. Okay, not too bad. I think it does need that little mix though, which in my opinion makes me wonder why you go through all this trouble to make this foam and everything, only to stir it up. Well, I stirred it up a bit. And, well, it's not bad. Is it going to replace my everyday coffee? I don't think so. But on a hot summer day, or if I'm having company over, yeah. I did find with the immersion blender, it was definitely a lot quicker than everything I've seen with the hand mixer, or the few people I've seen do it by hand. If I'm making a larger batch, I might even use my big stand mixer to do it. But yeah, it's okay. Like I said, it's not, for me, it's not going to replace my morning coffee. But I could see on a summer night after a barbecue, instead of just having a regular coffee or something, I'm putting my urn into a puddle of milk here, instead of just serving normal coffee, to impress my guests and bring something like this out. So it works. It's okay. It's not my favorite, but we did it. We joined the masses on Facebook who have made Dalgona Coffee. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. You're getting an honest review at 7:45 in the morning. And yeah, it's not bad. So, until next time, my name is Andrew. I am the 5 p.m. chef. Welcome to my kitchen. And thank you for stopping by. We'll see you all next time.